Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by ordering your free credit reports from Annual Credit Report. Calm and review them thoroughly. Look for errors in accounts, balances, and personal information on each report. Note any accounts that you do not recognize and flag incorrect balances. Remember that a good score is typically 670 to 739, and excellent is 800 or above for most scoring models. Save copies of supporting documents like statements and letters for disputes. Send written disputes to each credit bureau with evidence attached and request corrections promptly. Focus on lowering your credit utilization to under 30% and aim for under 10% when possible. Pay every bill on time and ensure you pay at least the minimum due each month to avoid late marks. Apply the debt avalanche method by prioritizing payments on debts with the highest interest rates first. You can also use automated payments or calendar reminders to maintain consistency. If possible, request higher credit limits to improve utilization without increasing balances. Avoid closing old accounts because age of credit helps your score. Rebuild credit by using a secured card or a credit builder loan and pay it on time every month. Monitor your credit score monthly and review reports to track progress and detect new issues quickly. When you are not applying for new credit, freeze or lock your credit files to prevent unauthorized accounts from opening. Keep new credit applications limited because multiple hard inquiries can lower your score temporarily. Continue budgeting to pay down debt. Build an emergency fund and maintain consistent on-time payments over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.